Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys this new CapCut update. So I'm just going to go to local and I'm just going to select this video, and what it is basically, it's like if you go to cutout and you select auto cutout, now they have the strokes option. They used to not have this option, they only had it in the phone. Some of them are pro, but they still have like a lot you can choose from that are not pro features like these ones, and you can add in like a canvas to them, so just to make it like more colorful, I guess. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!